Asante Kotoko goalkeeper Frederick Asare I emerged as the winner for Kessben Sports Awards. Kessben Sports GPL Awards, the maiden edition. Kessben Sports Adia Makofa Bay. Kotoko keeper Frederick Asare and a goalkeeper of the season. Yes, let's say Frederick Asare of Kumasi Asante Kotoko oni aduana keeper no ene ade eco competition no eventually ono ene emerge as a winner oni Felix Che Mediama ene koye ena Joseph Edo aduana ena eco praise our position no at the end of the day no ekoma Frederick Kumasi Asante Kotoko's own Asare na Frederick Asare Virgin Award, but I mean throw more light on this Kessben Sports Award. One of the best sports stations in Ghana, Kessben Sports, Akofaba Ghana, hey, let's just say, idea loud double, papa, as a Kessben Sports crew, no, and that's crew, no, so far, at the end of the day, no, the Kessben Sports crew, no, and I say listeners, as a matter of fact. So that's it. Kessben Sports Awards Best Goalkeeper winner, Frederick Asare. So this is what it is. From position 1 to position 11 on the field of play, no, the Kessben Sports crew no ebe nominate the players are omo feel say and I say omo no by omo technical study group no omo jitum say these players abo omo homode in their various position na omo nominate omo no omo nya nominate omo we are then the ball now turns into the court of the listeners and the viewers, social media, WhatsApp, baby, na omato swaba. Yes, inti eno na omo start with goalkeepers no. With goalkeepers no, almost start you know, a call ma Felix Asare of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes, a call ma Felix Asare of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So social media no so now person otoma one of these players I ever nominate you more. You can just go to Kessben Sports and answer Kessben TV on Facebook and answer at Kessben Media or Twitter. Players no debia no omo nominate player the category omo the beba bonte. I understand that currently they've nominated the category for the defenders. I'll call Kessben TV page to see how do not by just voting in the comment section or vote no will be casted validly. Now also one person favorite player bet me I imagine as a winner for the these awards. We commend the Kessben Sports crew, we commend Kessben FM, Kessben TV, the management of my idea BBC encourage boys and mobile juma. But me do see a chabe me